Welcome back to 20 Car. The 2026 Ford F-750 doesn't enter the road, it occupies it, like a moving skyline forged from steel and intention. This is not a truck born for subtlety. It is an industrial declaration, a rolling monument to American muscle translated into modern discipline. Visually, the F-750 is unapologetic. Its towering grille stands like a fortress gate, flanked by squared LED headlights that glow with work-ready confidence. The hood rises high and flat, a steel horizon stretching forward, while reinforced bumpers and massive wheels announce that beauty here is measured in durability, not delicacy. This is design with a job to do. Inside, the surprise begins. The cabin feels more command center than cockpit. A wide digital instrument cluster pairs with a large central touchscreen, supporting fleet telematics, navigation, and advanced diagnostics. The dashboard is rugged yet intelligent, trimmed for longevity, with ergonomic controls, designed for operators who spend entire days behind the wheel. Power comes from Ford's proven 6.7-liter Powerstroke V8 diesel, delivering immense torque rather than theatrics. Acceleration is not its art form, yet even so, an unloaded